So, can you tell me uh, the properties of element? Hmm. This is the different type of elements. What I said, ki what is the properties? An element, all the atoms of an elements are identical. They have same physical and chemical properties. Is it? And elements are divided into four types: metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gases. Is it? So, tell me the two major properties of metals. What is luster? What is luster? Luster is a shiny surface. Okay. Okay. And next, what you was telling? Ductile. Right. Ductile means by by stretching it can be converted into thin wires. Right. Okay. What we studied about two properties of non-metals. Okay, in spite of that, they are having low density. ठीक है? हाँ, they have low density and they are compressible. ठीक है? Non-metals are having low density and they are compressible. In spite of that, no doubt they are non-lustrous, they are non-ductile, non-malleable, non-sonorous. These are all opposite to of metal. But in spite of that, they have low density and they are low density as well as they are what we call क्या बोला था मैंने low density as well as what I told you, compressible. They are compressible. Fine. Okay. What are metalloids? Give me example of metalloids. Metalloids. Yeah, metalloids. मतलब they have intermediate properties of metals and non-metals. Fine. Give me the example of metalloids. Bromine नहीं, boron, germanium and germanium. हाँ बहुत सारे होते हैं लेकिन you have to keep this mind only, मतलब keep in your mind that boron and germanium. ठीक है? And there are so many others also. ठीक है? Fine. And what are noble gases? What is the property of noble gases? Noble gases की major property is that they are not reacting. ठीक है? नोबेल गैसेस की प्रॉपर्टी ये हो गई कि दे आर नॉट रिएक्टिंग. ठीक है? और क्या होता है? एंड इसके एग्जांपल क्या हो गए? हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टॉन, जेनॉन, रेडॉन. ठीक है? Okay, so this was an what is compound? Did you learn or not? How you can say? So tell me the mother what is compound? Two or more different type of atoms or molecules combined in a fixed proportion. So two or more different type of atoms, two or more different type of atoms or molecules combined in a fixed proportion. New substance is formed, energy exchange takes place, and they cannot be separated by simple physical method, right? So, what else in your syllabus? Hmm. Hmm. भाई, in a fixed proportion, ठीक है? Hmm.